Now, Storm Tracker 9 weather with meteorologist Cameron Landfield.
Happy Monday, Western Oregon. It's beautiful already, of course. We've got clear skies except for the coast where the marine layer is doing what it does every morning, pushing in and then rolling out as we get into the later morning. But I'm going to start you off with a live look out over Roseburg. Check this out. It's, of course, beautiful out there, and it's actually a little bit clearer than I would expect at the moment because it does look like a little bit of the Shelley fire smoke is going to get embedded in the upper atmosphere above Roseburg for today. So I'm actually going to show you the direction of that smoke plume right now. So looking at 7 a.m., just in the next 40 minutes or so, you'll see that some of that plume does start to make its way towards Roseburg. And in fact, you can see that green contour makes its way into as well. So it's actually a little bit of heavier smoke. I would expect for that sunshine to be a little bit orange or gray for Roseburg to start the morning off. Then as we get later into the day, however, our west winds do save this area for the most part and bring most of the intense plume out towards the east. You can see as we get later into the afternoon, though, there's actually a little bit of that plume that starts to move into Eugene as well. So for today's sunset over the valley, it might be a little bit more orange than you would anticipate. However, it's not going to be black out here because all of that really intense smoke is staying into the east, thankfully, for today. Now, we've got high temperatures today, higher temps tomorrow, and there's a little bit of an interesting thing going on in our mid-level pattern here for tomorrow for the most part. But for today, you can see a lot of heat out towards the Four Corners area, and that brings us into high pressure, of course. But look at this little zone right here. Now, that gets connected to a low pressure zone out near California coming into tomorrow, and that actually brings south winds into the area. Right now we have west winds, and that keeps temps down a little bit, but these south winds bring warmer temperatures into our area and more humidity as well. And with that humidity, we're going to see a lot of instability too, enough so that Tuesday into Wednesday, we could potentially see some thunderstorms out towards just east of the I-5, which is bad news if they happen to be dry because we're again in high fire danger for every county. 7-day forecast is showing you 67 on the coast for today. A lot of mornings with cloud coverage. Not tomorrow, however, at 61 and mostly in those mid to high 60s. Umpqua Basin 98 for today, staying high tomorrow at 97, low 90s after that, and the Cascade passes 83. Tomorrow, you see those chances of thunder, 20%, 85 degrees, staying in the low 80s after that. Willamette Valley, 93 for today, big 97 tomorrow, almost triple digits, then staying close to 90 the whole rest of the week. But now, it's time to wait.